ladies and gentlemen, it's November and it is cooking time. We're excited. We're going to make lemonade. So come and join us. We're excited. See you then. Hi, boys and girls. It is cooking time. Yes. And I have my good intern, media assistant, Allie, with me today.
Hi.
Yes. Are you ready to make some lemonade?
Yes.
Okay.
Very ready.
Before we start, gotta get my hat, boys and girls. It makes me feel like I'm in the cooking mood. How does it look?
It looks nice.
Oh, thanks. All right. So, Allie, we're gonna make lemonade. Tell me your favorite drink to drink with your food.
Personally, iced tea.
Really?
Sweet iced tea. Yes.
Sweet iced tea. Well, next to water, it's lemonade for me. Okay? So, boys and girls, we're going to show you how to make lemonade today without a pot, without a stove, without sharp objects. We need
Sugar.
yes, and we need
Lemon juice.
yes. We definitely need a
Measuring cup.
it just takes a little more scoops, okay?
Yeah.
And then we have
Lemonade flavoring.
yes, which is country time. Now, Allie, we're going to use this particular pitcher has it already measured inside. Notice that, Allie?
Yep.
And you see what it says?
2 quarts.
So that's exactly what we're going to make, a 2-quart pitcher of lemonade. Hopefully, after we measure it in this and stir it and do all the fun things, we're going to actually, Allie, put it in our cute pitcher with ice already inside and serve it away. Yes,
Right.
cold. Okay? Let's start. I always like to start with a little bit of sugar. Now, having said that, because sugar sticks to the bottom quickly, it's good to always put a little water first. So let's put a half of the bottled water, Allie, in the pitcher. You want to come here, Allie, and go ahead and put a half of that bottle. The bottled water, this bottled water that we have is a 16.9. Well, that's about 2 cups. It's a little over 2 cups. But to make 2 quarts, is what we're going to make today, you need 4 bottles of water. So we know that it takes 8 or 4 cups to make a quart. So we're making 2 quarts. So we need how many? We're going to do 8 cups of water, which equals 2 quarts. All right. So let's go, Allie. Let's put our cups of sugar. If you hold that, Allie.
Okay, where are we going?
You're gonna go a half a cup. If you hold it up, there we go. See right? See a half a cup
Oh,
there.
okay, there it is. I see.
All right. We're gonna pour it, and we're gonna do a half a cup. That's a half.
Messy.
There we go.
Okay, it's
That's 1 cup, and we're gonna do 1 more because we're gonna do 2 cups of sugar.
that's 2 cups of sugar.
2 cups of sugar. Now we're gonna need, Allie, 1 cup of lemon juice. Okay, let's pour that in there and get that going. All right, got another half going. Remember, boys and girls, lemon juice is very important when you're making lemonade. All right, so we did our sugar. We did our lemon juice. Now we're gonna need our country time flavoring. All right. Now, in order to make 2 quarts, it gives you the instructions, and it says 2 quarts means 8 cups. So, this is what I love about 1 quart, and so it tells you what you need. Okay. So, you want to do the honors, Allie?
Yeah.
Give me a little bit more to meet that 2 quart. Now, it says 8 cups on the container, but the top tells you how much you need to make the 2 quart. And what we're going to do is pour it in. Now, Allie, that should be good for now. Let's get the bottled water, please. Keep pouring, honey. You never want to put all of it in right away. Put that, yeah. We always want to test your lemonade to make sure it's not too sweet, it's not too sour, it's not sweet enough. Now, Allie, you want to do the honors of stirring up the lemonade?
Yes.
All right.
My spoon.
Okay, let's stir that up.
Very citrusy.
Yes. Lemonade is one of my favorite things to make. As a matter of fact, at home, I'm the one that makes the lemonade, okay? I had a compliment the other day. My niece, who is now 20-something, she said, Aunt Sheila, one thing has never changed since I was a little girl. And she said, it's your lemonade. And I thought, oh, that is such a great compliment. I was like, that was the best compliment. Wasn't that the best compliment?
That is very sweet. Almost as sweet as the lemonade.
Oh, that's good. Well, we hope the lemonade is sweet. Let's go.
Alright.
All right. So you think now let me give you a tip, Allie. How do you know when when stirring is enough? When you don't feel and hear the sugar.
Yeah.
If you don't hear the sugar anymore, then it's enough. Allie, if you can get a cup, please, my dear. And you're going to tell us whether it's too sweet, not sweet enough, too bitter.
Good.
It's good?
Very good.
We haven't made our 2 quarts though. We got to have a little bit more. So, can I get a cup? I want to test it, make sure, let me see what we need to add. Sometimes you, the chef, need to taste your work to see how you want it to taste. Once you taste it and say, well, I think I want a little more sweeter, or I want a little more tart, that's what you do. To me, Allie, this is a bit sweet.
Oh, okay.
So let's get one more bottle of water.
More bottle?
Mm-hmm. But she's young,
I like my lemonade sweet.
and she likes her lemonade sweet.
Should I add the entire bottle?
Till it gets to the 2 quart line. There you go. All right, so it's at the 2 quart line, and what I'm going to do is stir it a little bit more, Allie. And you notice, boys and girls, we didn't sip from the spoon. All you have to do is get a cup or anything that you can put some lemonade in, so that you can reuse your spoon, unless you'll be rinsing all day.
Yep.
So Allie, you already drunk all out of there?
Yes.
So let's test it one more time, because you don't want to give anybody a sugar rush with the lemonade. All right. So she said it the first time. Well, let me test it too.
It's lemonade. It's gonna be always good.
Oh, that's a whole lot better. And it's perfectly tart.
Oh yeah.
So boys and girls, there you go. Allie, if you can set that there. Thank you. And we're gonna pour. All right, boys and girls, there you have it. A nice cold pitcher of lemonade. Allie, thank you for your help today.
You're welcome. I enjoyed it.
Yes, and you're not behind the camera, you're in front of the camera this time.
Yes.
Well, boys and girls, yes, she is our videographer. She's the one usually behind the camera. So I'm ready for my lemonade. Lemonade in our picture here. And you know what? I always tell people, never put more than you're going to drink. So if you don't think you're going to do the whole thing, don't fill it up. But if you're going to drink it, that's fine. Allie, do you have something to put yours in?
I'll just use this cup.
Well, hey, let's go with it. It's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Bye-bye. My thirst, I want to burst. I love my lemonade. I love lemonade. It's good with ice. It's cold and nice. I love my lemonade. I love lemonade. It quenches my thirst. I want to burst. I love my lemonade. I love lemonade. But yeah,